Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1988 Toyota Supra. Targa top. I got the second owner here, right?
That's right.
Man, how cool. So you bought it, what, a 90?
Spring of 96.
96, how cool.
June, I think.
Great. Had about, what, 50,000 miles when you got
I
it?
think it was 53 at the time.
Very cool. Man, you've owned it a long time, huh?
I love this car.
So great on the road.
Really great. Nice highway car.
Yep. Real good heavy feel to it, too.
It rides terrific.
It really does. Great shape for the year. It was only a couple years old when you got it, right? It was only a couple years old when you got it.
96 was 8 years old.
8 years old.
And they didn't drive it much.
Any recent work done to it?
Rebuilt engine 2 years ago.
About how many miles on the rebuild?
Not a lot. I haven't driven it much.
Right, maybe 1,000 or 2, 3,000?
Less than 3 probably.
Right. You do have this piece of molding right here for the fender as well. Custom emblem?
Personal touch.
Yeah, exactly. Love the Targa. That's so cool. I like how they're coming out with the new Supra.
I hope they do well with it.
Me too. Everyone's very excited. Automatic, buckets. These come pretty loaded, right? Power seat, tilt wheel, fogs, power windows, power locks, live sound. It even has the cruise control on the steering wheel, which is pretty innovative for the day.
Japanese were the first to put everything they could think of in the car standard. I had the radio put in.
Oh, JVC, okay.
With not only a CD, but a cassette.
Just imagine that. Push button temperature control, right?
Of course, back
Automatic.
then when I got it, people weren't using CDs that much.
Oh, it's got the power lumbar, power
Yes.
mirrors, sport suspension. That's pretty cool. Sport. Cool.
Just tweaks it a little.
Yeah, it makes it a little stiffer. Original owner's manuals. You think you might even have the original bill of sale, right? You gotta
I really
find it?
think so. I was not in the habit of throwing things out back then.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I just gotta look.
This needs a real good detail. I think it'll clean right up. Here's that molding for the front fender. Let's check out under the hood. There she is. Man, these motors are so quiet, reliable, right? So smooth. Man, what a cool car. Such a timeless design, you know? You get all the bright tags everywhere, and the fenders, and the trunk, and the quarters, and the doors. Yeah, no accidents. Just running around the block. You got it? Cool. What do you got in there?
I don't know. It's been a while.
Man, she's got some power.
Yeah, not as much as it used to.
Oh, so you got the owner's guide?
I don't see the bill of sale.
Probably got it at the house somewhere.
No, I wouldn't have.
No?
Son of a gun.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.